So now we are going to discussing string functions. String functions also it will going to accept the string value as an input, and it is going to converting into the string value, performing the functions. So we have so many functions here. So init is nothing but a initial word as a capital, initial letter as a capital. Upper is going to converting from lower to uppercase. Lower is going to converting from upper to lower. Length means it will give the length of the particular string. Okay. R pad means right side padding that specified characters. L pad means left side. It is going to padding the specified characters. L trim means it's the left side trimming the unwanted characters. R trim right side, it's trimming the unwanted characters. So trim is nothing but it is going to trimming unwanted characters, the entire string. So translate is nothing but it's going to translating the string unspecified string. Suppose if you want to translate from one word to another word, then you can going to translate it by character by character. Suppose now somewhere some word is there, you can take it any word. In that word, you will going to translate in specific character. You can translate it. Replace. Replace means it's replacing the new string with the old string. So old whatever it is there, if you want to replace, automatically it will going to replace. So sound X is nothing but it is going to based on the sound pronunciation. If the value is matching, automatically that record will going to fetch. Concatenation is going to combining the two character, two words or two strings, whatever it is, you can concatenate it. ASCII values, character, substring. So these all things we're going to see now. Okay. Init cap, initial capital, initial letter as a capital. So see, suppose now you are going to doing some any real-time cases. Sometimes what will happen? You want to put the initial letter as a capital. So now suppose let's go into some any one table. Suppose EMP table. Okay, name is there. All are in uppercase, but you don't want into uppercase. So you want only the starting letter initial remaining followed by lowercase. So at the time init cap of p name. So then you can see this. See, automatically name is changed. Okay. So in the similar kind of you can use into upper of e name. So it's going to converting into upper again. So let's e name. This is the original name. So init cap upper, and the same time you can going to use lower of e name. So it depends on the requirement. You can use it. These all the functions. Okay, no one will going to tell you use this function, that function, and all. Okay. Suppose now user going to giving the requirement. Based on the requirement, you will going to understand which function you need to apply and how the output is comes. So based on that, you will going to understand the user's requirement. Is it going to fulfill or not? Clear, right?
Yes.
So now see, you can, this is the initial value. So if you are going to using init cap, starting it is going to initial letter as a capital. If you are converting into upper, it is going to converting into lower, it is converting into lower, right? So now you can use the length also. Length means it will give the number of bytes of that specified see now again comma length of e name. So automatically it will going to give that special length. See, king 4 letters. So Blake 5. Like that, this bytes length will going to come.
Okay.
Okay, right. Next, you can go into see. So these all are small, but you are going to using regularly in your coding. RPad, right side padding. So this allows you to pad the right side of the column if any set of characters, right? So you can see the syntax of RPad, string comma, length comma, padding character. String comma, length comma, padding character. Okay, three parameters it is going to accepting. RPad of string comma, length comma, padding character. Now you can see RPad. RPad of string means ename. Okay. Now length means suppose I'm going to putting into 10 length. Now what is the padding character? Suppose I want to put it into star. Clear? So now ename length is how much? Suppose ename length is
4. First
4.
name is King 4.
Right. What is the length I am putting? 10 now.
10.
So total length is 10 now. So now 4 is going to subtracted. Remaining 6 is going to padding into star. You can see now. See now, Kingu.
Okay.
After that, right side is going to 6 characters is padding. Understood? So here
Yes.
it is Miller. Miller is 6. That is the reason only 4 letters are padded. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. In the similar kind of left side also you can do. Now right side you did, right? So you can do it into left side also. Left side, now it is coming right side. The similar kind is going to coming into left side. Or L pad means left side.
Okay.
See now.
Okay. Got it.
So next, see where we are going to using this means it depends on the requirement. Give me a second. Okay, so next it is going to see, suppose sometimes you can see in the ATMs, your account number last 4 digits you are going to putting into stars. So that means the starting 8 characters you are putting stars, last 4 only you are going to displaying. Like that, whenever the confidential data is coming, some specified length you want to put into the stars, you can going to put it. Okay. So how it will come means this is the one padding only. Okay. Now next we are moving into next trim mode. Trim means this will trim off unwanted characters from the left end of the string.
Okay.
Again, string comma unwanted character. String comma unwanted character. So now string comma unwanted character. What is this? L trim. So you can going to use into L trim again in the similar kind only. L trim of ename comma. What is unwanted character? Suppose I want to put it into star. See now L trim. So I'm going to taking this into L pad 1. So if you add L pad, left side stars also going to padding, right? Right. Now L trim of this complete function I'm taking. So what is the left side? It is going to padding. Unwanted character is what? Star, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to trimming star. Now you can see, is it going to left side star is coming?
No.
Here left side stars are there. Here left side no stars. It's
Okay.
going to trimming. Okay.
Mhm.
Now suppose sometimes you can going to see some data, some spaces and all coming in the data level. Spaces will come. So at the time, how to trim that spaces? You can going to trim like this way. Okay. So you can going to trim in the similar kind of way. You can use it. Okay. So in the same way again, you can use into R trim also. R trim means it's going to trimming into right side again. So again, I'm going to using R. So you can going to use into R. So you will see now. So that means comma is missing. So you can see here R trim how it will going to working output.
It's working like L-trim only.
No, you can see there. I used it into R pad, right?
Oh, okay, okay. But the L-trim, R-trim, both are coming with the. Oh, okay. You removed right stars. Okay, got it. Your
Okay,
left
got it
stars
right?
is gone. Your right stars are gone.
Right.
Okay, got you.
Right, madam. So next, what we can do now, you can use into trim. So trim, how we will going to use? We can going to. So now again, you can going to use into trim. Trim means both the sides it is going to trim that. Just trim function. So either left or right, whatever you can use it, it will going to trim it. Understood. Now I am going to using rpad one. But here what I use the function only trim. Understood. So
Uh-huh.
it should be going to 1
I
second
think, uh,
parenthesis. Here one more parenthesis we can put. Trim
it is
of
correct now.
rpad.
It is correct now.
No, before also correct, right?
See, open, close, open, close. No, you should put comma.
Yeah. So let's take that 1 second.
Uh-huh.
Trim is going to trimming in the both the sides. Okay, I will going to take it into different example. Okay, let's see. So R trim. So here it is unwanted characters from the string. That's enough. So you need to write it into different way. Understood? So the syntax itself it's different.
Okay.
This should not going to work. This is the thing you can going to put. See now. See trim I
I
from
from
Indiani.
India.
So that means in Indiani level automatically I is going to trimmed.
So all the eyes will be trimmed.
Yes, correct.
So N D
You
A
can
N.
see now. No. Only see trim is going to working in the starting ending things it is going to trim,
Not in the middle.
not in the middle. It only going to checking from starting and ending of the word.
Okay.
Okay, clear? So this is the one. See why we are going to the trim is maximum. It is going to helping whenever you got the data spaces and all. Most of the cases we are using the trim function into the spaces.
Okay.
See, spaces means suppose now while going to inserting the data, is there any spaces coming after king? So you created a one table, right? Employees.
Yes. Employees.
Hmm.
Yes.
So yes, employees, right? Now her name is there, right? So I will try to insert the data into that table. Okay.
Okay.
Let's here insert keyword is there, right? Already. Right. Suppose now I'm going to taking this one. Okay. So what we will going to do? I will try to insert here. So instead of this, right? So shall I insert now?
Yes.
Right. One row is inserted. Now can you tell me, madam, here? So what you can do? Query to get Mansa record. How we will going to get?
Select star.
Query to get
Not. Okay. Manasa record. Select star
query to
from
get
employees where
1233.
e-name is equal to
Hmm.
Manasa.
Okay. Right. Shall I do now? Where e name equal to
Manasa in quotes.
so MANAS. Right. Now you can see what is that? 1 second. E name.
E
MP
E M P underscore name.
Right.
Now it will go.
Why? What happened?
You did not put commit after
Why you
inserting.
want? No, it's showing, right? Our record is showing, right?
Uh-huh.
Yes or no?
Yes, EMP underscore name.
Shall I use the trim function?
Yes.
Which
Why
trim
I'm not?
function you want?
Why
Hmm?
my name is not showing when you put select statement?
So that is what I am asking. Why it's not coming? So I want to use the trim function here. Shall I use?
Mm-hmm.
But still not coming.
Still not coming.
So do you want to use the trim here?
When the record is not coming, how can we use the trim?
For record, to get the record only we are using the trim.
Wow.
See now.
Trim is to remove the record, right? Or in record the name.
Trim is going to remove the space. See now. I selected your name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Understood. Now I am going to putting into single quotes your name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, are you see one line, one space is there.
Over
Are
where?
you
After
are you
Manasa space.
yes.
Okay.
Understood.
No, I did not understand.
See here space is there, right? While inserting the data itself, you got a one space.
After Manasa?
See, madam, simply I am going to copy your name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to putting your name into single quotes. Try to look it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, are you observed one space?
Yes, now I observed.
Now I copied my name, Koteshwar. Okay, I'm putting into single quotes. Is there any space you observed?
No space for Koteshwar, but
Right,
Manasa
right.
is there a space.
That is the space this trim is going to removing.
Okay.
So
But he
while
did
we are
not
going
mention about the space to remove, right? But it automatically removes the space. That's what I said.
to the trim functionality itself, it is going to removing the space. Trim
Okay.
functionality itself, it is what is the mean by trim?
Removing some words if you want, like M to
What
be removed, you
see
can do.
see you are going to specifying what you want to remove. Understood? Here you are not specified anything. That means whatever it is there, spaces are there, unwanted things it is going to removing. If you are not
Mhm.
specify anything.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next one. One second. So these all functions you can try it into different way.
Okay.
So now you can going to see into different functions. So this trim is over. So you can going to see into next function is going to translate. So these are very, very important and it will going to help you also. Okay. So try to understand the concept, try to understand the syntax. So once
Mm-hmm.
you remember the syntax, automatically you will going to apply these syntaxes into whenever your requirement comes into the picture. This will
Okay.
replace the set of characters, character by character. See, translate string, comma, old string, comma, new string. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this should you have to remember always. String, comma, old character, comma, new character.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
now translate into India in comma yx. So now what we can do, you're going to execute into this. See, now we are going to talking about translate, right? So translate is going to translating the string old value to new value in the specified string. Now it is going to character by character. Okay, character by character. It is wherever, see now, this is a old value, in now. So yx is the new value. In the string level, wherever in is there, it is going to replace with x and y. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
See now, xy dxa. Why xy dxa is coming? I is replaced with x, n is replaced with y. Clear? Are you clear now?
Yes.
Okay. In the similar kind of, suppose somewhere you want to replace or translate any specific character, sometimes so what will happen? Some Indian numbers will come. So at that time they want to change that number. So you can translate wherever that is coming. Okay. So shall I move on to the next?
Yes.
Replace. Replace also it's the same thing, but here it is going to string by string. Understood?
Yes.
Replace is going to string by string, it will going to work. Translate is going to work by just it is into character by character, it is going to replace. Now you can go and see this. Yes, replace. Now you can going to see. Now say trans India is INXYC. Now you can observe, I'm going to putting all the things into single statement. Now translate is going to XYDXA. This is going to XYDIA. Why? A is not replaced now. Translate, replace. Replace is going to DXA is there, but here it is DIA is there. That means wherever IN is there, only it is going to replace with the XY. Here it translate level, it is going to replacing character by character. It is here it is going to replacing string by string. So last one you can see India replaced with IN. So there is no replaced value. So that is the reason DIA is coming. Null is replacing. Here you can see there is no replaced value. Whatever you want to replace, that is there, but replaced value is not there. So that is the reason space is null is going to replace. If you are not
Okay.
specified what you want to replace, automatically it is going to replace it by null. Clear, madam?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to the next one. So sound X. Sound X is nothing but it's very simple. So you are going to see, suppose now your record is there, your employee name is there, Manasa. If that Manasa related, that whatever the pronunciation is going to matching, automatically it will going to pick the record. Understood? Now here select star from EMP where sound X of E name comma sound X of Smith. The actual name is what is the name of the Smith? SMITH, right? Smith. Yes or no?
Yes.
Smith name is going to, you can see SMITH Smith. But here you are going to see SMIT Smith. So the pronunciation is matching, record will come.
Okay.
Understood. This sound pronunciation is going to matching, then record will come this.
Okay.
Okay, clear? So that is, say even on 100% sure we are not going to use anywhere this.
Any?
We are not going to use maximum cases. So I didn't get a chance still so far to use that.
Okay.
Okay, right. Concat. This is we are going to using. Most of the cases we are using. Concatenate means it's combining the two strings, string 1 comma string 2, concatenate. It's going to concatenating this. So concatenating, we are going to frequently we are going to using concatenate. Understood? See,
Yes.
suppose yes. Now you can going to see here operator, computer comma operator. So automatically concatenating computer operator will come. But most of the cases we are going to using concatenate symbol is different. Okay, how we will going to use? Now suppose employee name is going on. Okay, see, suppose some table is there for all people have. Okay, this is the table. Here last name is there. Okay, last name is there, first name is there, middle name is there. Understood?
So you
See, first,
concatenating first name, last name, and middle name together and make a
right,
full name.
make a name. You can concatenate. How we're going to use means, see now that is going to see, suppose last name. Okay, so how did you going to concatenate? Even in employee also you can going to concatenate. Sorry, let me put into employees. Okay, see now, suppose employee SMITH Smith salary is sal. We want to display the sal. How I can do, madam? Select
Select
e name,
name.
concatenate of
Shall.
salary is concatenate of cell from EMP table. See, but where the space is not coming, right? So you can put the spaces also. Spaces also you can going to put. Clear? After is also you need a space, you can give it a space. See now, clear how concatenation is working? Okay. So clear, right? You are understand, right? Concatenation how you are used now.
Yes.
Okay, like this way you can going to use the concatenation. This is the concatenation symbol. You can use it maximum cases into concatenate. Forget about this concatenate. Whatever this we discussed this concatenate of computer comma operator. Okay, you can use this symbol concatenation.
Okay.
See now down also they are going to showing same thing. How are you concatenation? Clear? How are you? It will come and see. ASCII symbols you can see now. ASCII symbols means this will return the decimal representation of the database character set to the first character of the string. See, in our keyboard, each and every letter have some ASCII values. Okay. So ASCII value of A, it is going to something. So based on that values only, operating system will be going to understanding your command. Understood? So ASCII of A means 97. ASCII of C, Apple also why it is 97 is coming. Only it is going to checking the first character of the ASCII value.
Actually, what is ASCII?
That is the what? See, in our keyboard, each and every key having ASCII value. ASCII is nothing but American standard some scientific, they are going to designing the OS itself, they are going to specifying each and everything. Now, yesterday you are going to seeing that binary values, right? And nar, and nar, I told, right? Some bit and function I told, right? Like this, ASCII is nothing but see, suppose if you go into Google and you can type it ASCII. So operating system is going to ASCII. See, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, this is that meaning, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So each and every operating system, all the operating systems is going to understanding the ASCII character values only. Now suppose in your keyboard you are going to pressing A. A means character wise OS will not going to understand. OS will going to understand this ASCII value. ASCII value is going to internally is going to convert it into binary format mode. Binary mode. What is binary mode means? So yesterday we are discussed about that bit and operators. Bit and operators, right? That is the 0 1 0 0 0 like that. It's commanding mode. It is going to understanding. So this is ASCII. The exact vice versa function is char function. CHR function will going to use. See this CHR function. Now CHR function of this exactly 97. It will going to give the ASCII value. So are you understand now?
Yes.
See now, A will come. Now suppose again uppercase also it is going to different again. CHR of 65, suppose. CHR of 65. See, capital A is coming. So in your keyboard, each and every key having their ASCII values. The ASCII values is internally converting into binary mode. That binary values is sending to the OS. OS is going to understanding that binary format coding. So in our Oracle, we are going to using maximum space. Suppose you want to give one tab space Understood. At that time, CHR of you can give it to tab space. Tab also have some 13 keywords something. If you use that, automatically the spaces will come. You are not getting right.
No.
Suppose something you are trying to displaying, madam. You want to
Okay.
give it from one value to another value. That some space you want to give it tab space.
Okay. Okay.
That tab space, how you will going to give between two strings? Normally it's not possible. Okay, at the time you can use it CHR function and you can give it the spaces.
CHR functions and give places. Okay.
This is, see that
Okay.
these both are vice versa, right?
Okay.
This ASCII and CHR both are
We do
see in, it's
we
one
do
second.
use these commonly or not that much.
One second. Let me show you something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now suppose self star from EMP. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So ename concatenation of CHR. That value I forget it actually. 13 something. See, the symbol is coming here in between. No, actually I forget the value. CHR function, that value is there. If you're going to give that value, automatically space will come in between of this. 1 second. Let me will say that. CHR of space.
This is spec, right?
1 second. Spaces.
AC. SPAC.
Oracle function. 1 second.
Uh-huh. $32.
Maybe some value is there. If you're going to give that correct value, then automatically you will going to get the spaces between the two strings.
Okay.
CHR of 84, capital T. See, whenever you want to use this, automatically you can use it. But I will tell you, madam. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way it will going to use the CHR functions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So moving on to the next one, substring. Substring is very, very important again. Okay.
Okay.
Substring is nothing but it is going to extract the substrings in the
Part
given
of
string.
a string.
Yes, string comma, start character, count comma, number of characters.
If you want a
So
part of a string, you give substring and the character number, it will give you that.
correct, exactly.
Based
So
on
it
that.
will go right. It will going to give like this way. Now will going to explain you in detail. Okay.
Okay.
So don't worry, so many functions are how to remember and how to use this. So keep on, you are going to practicing, you will going to get it into all the things. Now, can you try to understand the syntax and tell me the outputs? So you will going to understand clearly. So I will going to put the syntax here. So now look the syntax and tell me the output, madam. See, substring of string comma, start character count comma, number of characters. Now
Okay.
string is going to computer, start character count is 2.
2. So second, from O it comes.
From O it will comes. Okay. What
Another
will
one,
come?
OMPUTER for that one.
Right. What about second one? So next one is start character is 2,
and
length is,
ends with the 5 character. Fifth one.
yes,
So
OMP.
OMP T till T comes. This
Right.
one M from
You
M
you you
to
understand? Yes. See, this
yeah,
is the way it will going to working. If it is negative characters, what we will do?
negative
If
means
number of
something.
parameters, see, number of parameters are negative, then it will going to display
Nothing.
nothing. So shall we see now?
Yes.
If I am putting negative, what was the reason why it is nothing? If I am going to putting -7, why it is nothing? See, nothing. Do you have any idea why it's nothing?
It starts with the third character. But negative means positive means you can count the characters. Negative means you cannot count the characters.
Okay, correct. You are correct. I am putting the start character also negative.
So nothing only will come because negative means you cannot count the characters.
Right, exactly. So we have to remember like that way. Then automatically subject will comes into picture. Okay. Now you
Okay.
can see if both the parameters except a string are null, then 0, then it will display nothing. Okay. So
Okay.
it's clear. If number of characters parameter is greater than the length of the string, if it ignores and calculates the based on the original string length. Understood? This is
Uh-huh. Well, character
clear.
parameter is greater than the length. Then it ignores and calculated based on the original string length. Okay.
Okay, now you can down, you can see computers is the string, how it is positive and negative things is going to coming into the picture. If it is negative, then it is going to calculating from here. If it is positive, then it is going to calculating from here. Okay.
I did not understand the
Now,
negative part over down.
yeah, now you can going to understand. See, now I am going to putting -3, 7. Okay. Why T are coming?
Because positive, right? So it
No, no,
takes
no, no, no.
from the
What?
seventh character.
Try to understand. See, negative means it is going to counting searching from the backward.
Okay.
It's going to searching. R is the -1, E is the -2, T is the -3. So it is going to looking from here to it will going to display TER. Shall I put one more example?
Yes.
Now, see, now I am going to what I'm going to give -5, 4. -5, 4. What will happen, madam? -5 means in the computer, how if it is +5 means what we will going to do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From T it will come.
From T it is going to starting and length is 4, right? So 4 letters it will going to display.
So last letter will be space.
Space. So that means ignores, right?
Okay. Yeah.
If it is negative -5 means it will going to checking from the backward. TERP. It's going to starting from P.
So P M
See,
M.
madam, one second. R is going to -1, E is going to -2, T is going to -3, P, U
Okay.
is equal to -4, P is equal to -5. -5, it is going to starting here. Okay, P2, how many letters? PUTE, it will come.
Okay, got you.
Good. So PUTE. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. In string. In string is nothing but this is also going to allow you to search the string in the set of characters. So in the here it is going to string comma search character comma. So this is also very interesting and it is very simple. Okay. So try to understand the concept.
Okay.
So now you can going to see the syntax. See the syntax.
Yeah, this I understood. See, 4 comma 1 in string means in the string 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 0. And
No,
after,
no. Wait. First understand the syntax. String. search character string, start character count, occurrence. Understood? String is nothing but information. Search character is going to O.
Oh, you are looking for or. Okay.
Yeah, start character count is going to 4 and occurrence is only 1 now. Now in the information I'm searching for O from the fourth letter onwards. First occurrence is coming in the which position? In string is nothing but a searching the character position. Now I'm searching from the O and I'm starting from the fourth letter onwards and I'm going to looking for the first occurrence. Now this O letter from the fourth letter onwards, first occurrence in which position it is coming? Tell me, madam. Hello?
I'm just thinking.
Yeah, second one you can tell me.
You're looking your O you found in your string. Fourth one, 2, 3, 4. O is 4.
See, in string is nothing but a searching the specified character position in the given string.
Okay.
In string is nothing but a you are going to searching the specified character position in the given string.
So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, I mean O is on the fourth. But what about this 2?
Second one is I am searching for the second occurrence.
Oh, okay.
So that is the reason 10 now. Second occurrence, madam. See, it is
Second
going to.
occurrence is before N you have O.
Right, correct.
So that is the 10th character. 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right?
No, it's 10th. 10th position.
7, 8.
Clear?
How
Madam,
10th position,
say
sir?
IN 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Okay.
So this one, come to this one. This is first to fourth one is O.
1,
and
2,
1.
3, 4.
And what
It's
about this?
see, 1 is nothing but a occurrence. First occurrence, second occurrence, third occurrence. Occurrence means when it is appearing. First time appearing, second time appearing, third time appearing, like that.
Okay. Fine, got you.
So shall I move on to the next?
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Right. So we're going to stop it from decode. So the reason is decode will take more time.
Okay.